I'm going to give you some scenarios, and all you're going to do is show me when you leave here whether that's flexible or not flexible. So flexible, thumbs up, not flexible, thumbs down. All right, some of these will relate to you. Some of them may not as much, but have fun with it. So how about this one? It's okay to start work 10 or 15 minutes late so long as all the time's made up at the end of the day. Flexible, not flexible. Got a little bit of everything on that one. Okay, how about it's okay to discreetly respond to a text during a meeting? I literally saw... How about it's okay to keep my camera off during a virtual meeting? You got some middle fingers on that one. It's okay to text a colleague with a work question after hours. Okay. All right. I'm going to stop there. So you all couldn't see exactly what I saw, but what I saw was just tons of this. And that's not a bad thing. Because here's the thing. Not only in the organization, but even within insurance, like we have a culture and we have expectations, but in our teams we have subcultures, which means this is what it looks like for us. And what I would find is that, especially when people are starting to work together, it's really good not to assume that we've all got the exact same subcultures, but to actually have conversations about, I'm going to give you, if you're interested, not only those 4, but I got a long list of those. These are good things to talk about as we're working together. I got to tell you, in this last year, I hired 2 new people. And right now, our small team is located in 3 countries, so we got together. And I've written books on this, so I thought, I'm going to do this activity, but I think we're good. My small group, we had thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs middle. I'm like, whoa, wow. And it's because, this is how it worked with that team. Or here's kind of what I thought was okay. So when it comes to things like punctuality, when it comes to things like responding to emails, when do you email? When do you, when do you text? When do you call? These are good things to talk about, to say, hey, what is flexible and what actually is an expectation? And I will say this as well, especially when you've got people starting to come together who haven't worked together a lot in the past. If someone, in your opinion, isn't holding up a structure and expectation, always start with generous assumptions. Start with the fact, like, maybe that's actually not their expectation. Or maybe it's just, we've never talked about this. So we're not going to do this at your tables, but I would say when you think about the teams you're working in, these are great conversations to have. The goal is not that we have this policy and procedure manual like this. It's actually just that we're clear on just a few of these norms. We feel like for us to work best together, these things are flexible. We feel like these things aren't. And those are great conversations to have.